What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So for all the people that have been asking, we are back at it with the Malibu and company. Got that man Shaquan. Yeah, Malibu and company. Oh shit. What's up, little nigga? Hey, you got booger. All right, anyway.
I had to go catch it.
So for the Eclipse over there, all we did was get a red top Ultima battery. I wanted yellow, but I wanted red, ironically, but they said that the red one should be just as good. So I'm letting that run, and it's been a while since it ran. My man Lamont is taking care of the steering wheel right now because my awesome mother and grandmother broke the buttons on there.
Which makes it his fault.
Definitely not. Definitely not. Take no responsibility in that. Nah. What? He trash talking over there. But basically, we're gonna be installing the duckbill, maybe the front lip, the new buttons for the Malibu, and that's probably it for the Malibu. Someone forgot the jack this morning, so yeah.
Somebody ain't picked up the phone either.
No, we talked yesterday.
I got off at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I got off at 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to hear it.
I got off at 5 o'clock.
Me and this man was on the phone for what? About an hour, maybe two. Exactly, and I was like, make sure.
I woke up late. I ain't gonna lie, I woke up late.
I was like, make sure you bring the jack. All right, I got you. I'll tell Shaquan.
At least
Did
I
not do it.
turned around and got the decals, right?
He turned around and got the decals, all right. But he forgot the main thing, the main reason, because a lot of the stuff that we got to do requires a jack. Like, we could have did the coilovers today for the Malibu.
Sounds like you're doing a whole lot of complaining right now.
Yeah, it's his fault. Okay, then I just got to get one. I just got to get one. It's okay. And
so that's my fault. It's cool when you do it. It's a problem when I do it.
I don't know what they got going on, but they've been on this battle rapping thing. I know. Yeah, they're funny. It's so funny. I hope y'all heard that. That's so funny. But yeah, so maybe next video we'll do.
Wrap around the AC unit. That's where the heater go. Oh.
We got the coilovers right here. Maybe in the next video that'll go on. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start pumping on that Malibu content for you guys. No, they came like that. These are free use. They were free. The wheels were free.
Oh, okay.
So I ain't complaining.
Yeah, we take those.
Yeah. Stock in 19s, I'll take them.
Anybody want to donate some 6x5s? Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah.
I love that 6x5. Gotta be 20 though, not a big ass.
So yeah. So let us get started. We got the button. That's what I was coming over here for. The buttons. We're not going to do the fog lights today because I haven't decided if I'm going to get them RGB'd or not. And then either way, I got to figure out if I'm going to get them wired into the actual OEM system. So we'll see about that. But we will catch y'all in a little bit. I just got just enough 3M. I was about to say, dang. All right, be right back. So this may look familiar. Brand new duckbill for the Malibu. It's definitely going on. I feel like the carbon, I could have went all black, but I wanted the carbon one again. I actually think this one sits better than my old one too, which is kind of crazy. So they talking shit over there. That's why they went quiet. And don't even know what to do. What?
He was talking about the boats.
Anyway, that is the lip. I'm gonna take that off. Not gonna lie, it's a little damaged. But I'm gonna see if I could get a refund. But if I can't, I'm not tripping. I'm gonna just keep it. It's for the daily, so I'm not mad. But that's the booty that I miss on this car. So y'all hear the shit they talking about?
Wait, what?
You hear the shit they talking about? That's crazy. PG. I won't get that. They funny. So yeah, we're gonna add some 3M tape. Get this on. Hopefully, get the front lip on. We'll see, because somebody forgot the jack. So all we're working with is we're gonna we don't have the taller ramps, so I don't think we're probably gonna get to it. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll see. We'll see what we can do to the Malibu for today. But definitely ready for this car. Need headlights and wheels. And a banner, because someone's on there. So Lamont came in clutch with the new banners. So we want to throw that on here. But yeah, so we'll be right back.
What's the banner? Is it the first one you saw?
Sorry. Yeah, we'll be right back. We'll see what else we can do here. All right, guys. So Lamont got the buttons on. These are from the OEM steering wheel. I mean, they're the same buttons. So, and I got the duckbill on. I'm hoping to get a refund for this, because this thing was cracking into places it should not be. It's like it's almost like it's sealed. It's a little damaged. So I'm gonna put the link in, but shoot, if it holds and I get the refund, you know, free part. So am I gonna be complaining? No, not at all. So we got to figure out what we're gonna do next, because everything else is just simple stuff. Like this is for the trunk light.
Hey, I think it's Christmas, okay?
Huh?
I kid. I say it's crooked, but I'm not.
Oh no. You didn't put it on.
Mark said, I don't mind nothing. Hey, hold on.
I hate him. Only Lamont does this. As long as he's been working on the car, he should know by now.
I'm good, though. I put decals.
So now I gotta put this thing back on.
Myself, now. I can literally just run a decal.
I'm gonna let him bleed that. I'm kidding now.
Hey, you know you still got
Yeah. I kept the back tint on, mainly because I didn't feel like reaching back there. I'm gonna pay someone to remove that.
I thought you took the whole tint off.
Yeah, no, it's a lot of effort to do that. But I am gonna do this real quick. Got the new one in there. And everything else is literally requires a jack that my man forgot. So
Oh, you got a little light.
that's a chair.
Chair. Yeah,
That's a chair.
You didn't know that?
Bro's crazy.
You ain't know that.
But all right, guys, I'll be right back. It's right here. There you go. That's the part number. I guess that's the part number.
So I did know.
For you guys, I want to change that out. So I just discovered something. This is the OEM one on the left. This is the aftermarket one on the right. Basically, they make an actual LED light now. This is a bulb I had to put in for the Malibu. So it's kind of cool seeing the market for the Malibu actually like get more developed. But all I got to do is plug this in. Huh?
You caused that.
Yeah, no. Collectively. So I'll be right back. I need 2 hands for this. But yeah, no, this is it's pretty nice. I hate him. But there you go, guys. So this is actually going to go in the trash because there's no use for this. It doesn't clip in. It doesn't clip in. The bulb?
Yeah, that's still a good bulb, man. That bulb was working when you had it in there. You never really need that bulb, man. Throw that bulb away, man. You always throwing stuff away. Oh, Lord.
I'm kidding. I guess I'll keep the bulb. It works.
For real, my guy. Hold on, you young. Well, no, never mind.
He younger than me. Caught red-handed. But all right, guys. We'll see what else we could get going, cause yeah, that's it. So Lamont is persistent and wants to take off the bumper. I was trying to avoid doing that. That's why we needed the jack. But so what we're gonna do? We're just gonna Lamont's gonna take off the bumper and then we're gonna install the lip. Huh?
You don't have regular ramps?
No, I just got low profile. All my cars are low. There's no reason for a low profile. No, I mean it's going to be low. There's no reason for a low. I hate him. Anyways, no one's lying. Oh, I gotta ask y'all for y'all honest opinion on something. Yes, I do. I do. Y'all think these rain guards? No? I don't know how this goes. No, it's just rain guards. Yeah. Yes, no, no, yes.
I don't like rain guards, period. So,
No, I'm not. What? Right. The fuck? And yeah, me too. Shit. Goddamn. Damn. I don't like the rain guards. I may trash them. I was like, let me try them out. And I got them for $1 off of the auction site. So I was like, let me try.
Put some on the trailblazer, but I ended up breaking them at the front yard.
That's so funny.
Someone was like, I ain't not taking it easy. You're going to hit the other one. Pop. Like,
That's messed up.
when I was fucking scraping the rain.
Nah, no rain guards. I'm gonna trash these. The reason why I never bought these though is because these are like what, like $59 or $60 or something like that. So nah.
well, who's gonna be driving it most of the time?
I mean my mom, but I don't think she wants these because she wants to she wants to re-chrome or re-wrap the roof and the door the chrome.
She don't know what
She wanna do a chrome
until you
delete.
give it to her.
Yeah, I say no to rain
But
guards.
don't trash it, sell it.
Yeah.
No. They're beat up. They're beat up. And then what's up with this random ass like cutout? I don't know. That's weird. I'll get the cutout. So, no rain guards. Executive decision. All this is going to trash. Got it for $1, so it ain't really a loss. So yeah, we're gonna do the front lip. And they're talking about put the car on the low profile ramps, so we'll probably do that. Oh wait, well we may do it up to the Q60. We'll see, because the bumper got to come off anyway. So be right back.
You have fish food, man.
Oh.
He got double back. Dang, back to back.
I didn't do it, man. I made it down.
Your ass recording.
They gotta get the funny part of us. Listen, one of the comments was like, not Amari being sus. I was like, y'all, if only you knew. And only do it with, you know, you gotta do it with your homeboys. You can't do it with random people. But that shit is hilarious.
Wait, you can't do it with homeboys?
No, you can, but you can't do it with random people.
You can't do it with random people?
Fuck.
So guys, I am going to throw on the fog lights, but they're not going to be wired up. I got bolts right here. I just need to figure out what size they are, and I'm going to figure out if I got extra ones, because literally you could put the whatchamacallit in, the fog lights. So we will see, because if I ever did do the fog lights, RGB, or even wired them up or whatever, I'm going to drop off the car. It's one of those situations. So we're actually going to do that. I wasn't looking on point on doing that, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and knock that out. So Lamont's looking for bolts to put the lip together. He got bolts to bolt the lid up, but he needs like something to connect the middle piece with the other two outer pieces. So yeah, we are moving along. So we're definitely doing more than what we expected. And look at those two. Sorry, y'all know I gotta throw these in. Look at that steering wheel. That sun hitting just right. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, back to the Malibu. All right, boys, we're back official. All the cars got decals. Uh-oh. There we go. Back official. They talking shit over here. Anyways. Got all the decals back on. I'm gonna need help to do the front banner. But other than that, decals are done. I'm still working on the front lip. Installed the fog lights. They got the bumper upside down right now. At least it's on plastic. But installed the fog lights. I need to get a piece of 3M tape and put it right there for the other thing. What's it called? Chrome piece. So we'll see how I end up doing that. But yeah. And I figure keep the connectors on there. That way there's no error for leaks or anything. I just zip tied it close. So yeah, we're almost done. This is why I took a note from Wilmot. Keep all your nuts and bolts. These are all spare nuts and bolts. Literally. So. Oh, I didn't learn it from you? All right, cool. I'm just all knowing then.
What?
Huh?
What?
I ain't gonna do it. So, we'll oh yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube.
No, I'm saying like if that had happened, like YouTube would have been allowed. No.
Hey, he gonna find himself this little one.
All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. Just want to show y'all what we ended up getting all together. So I ordered the wrong chrome piece. So I gotta actually go back and order the left one and not the right one. So now I got two right ones. Install both fog lights. As y'all see, the grill is missing. Just went on ahead, took that off. I'm gonna get a new one. The decals are all back on. And yeah, so definitely like the new look. Well, old but new look. Let me do this side. This side's better. Ah. Yeah, way better. So, all right, guys. Peace out and see you on the next video. Just to give y'all an idea on, ignore the mess, but yeah.